Take another bike ride through the city today, this weekend. Start out here at North Point Light, on the east side of Milwaukee. An historic place here, lighthouse. I'm gonna ride along the lake, right through downtown, up through the south side maybe, and back through the north side and come back, make my way back over here. We'll see how it goes. There's Wall Street, WHAL. Top here, the bluff overlooking Lake Michigan. One of the more affluent neighborhoods around here. As you can see, the houses are really nice. All along Lake Michigan, it's like that in the city. Really nice houses. North Point Water Tower. Make our way down to the lake down here. Go down to the beach. Down here at Bradford Beach. Very lively today. It's Saturday. People are actually going in the water. It's pretty cold in Lake Michigan. I went last weekend. It's pretty chilly. This is the main beach of Milwaukee here. Everybody's out and about, having a good time. McKinley Beach, just a little ways south of Bradford Beach. Just a little spot to hang out. Getting closer to downtown. Into the neighborhoods. Hop over here on the east side. Nice transit. I've discussed that thing before. Absolutely waste of money. We're here at Cathedral Square. Downtown, Yankee Hill part of downtown Milwaukee. One of the oldest parts of the city. Old church here. Apartments over here. I used to live in a small brown low rise over there many moons ago. Great area to live in. Highly recommend it. City Hall, downtown Milwaukee. City, baby. Down here in the 3rd Ward. Milwaukee River down here. Historic 3rd Ward. Just outside of downtown. Tech High School over here. This used to be my high school. Used to be the old building, used to be here. Where the new building is used to be the playground. Very old high school. Good place. Train just sitting here. Making my way back. We're on 6:30. Still got things to do. Milwaukee Theater down here. Downtown Milwaukee Convention Center. 6th and Kilbourne. Making my way north. MATC College over there. Technical College. And the old courthouse. Milwaukee. Fiserv Forum here, home of the Milwaukee Bucks. Downtown Milwaukee. Just outside of downtown. Hillside Projects. Not really looking anybody out tonight. A few people running around. Not the greatest neighborhood over here. Wouldn't recommend you coming over here unless you know where you're going, what you're doing. 6th Street over here. Oh, Schlitz Brewery, Schlitz Park. It's north of downtown here. Go to my year's school in the back over here. It's a nice old brewery. Used to make beer there. Martin Luther King statue here. Historic King Drive. Near the north side of Milwaukee. Still making my way back to my car. Still out here on MLK. Headed toward North Avenue. Not much going on tonight down here. Old Fiend Brothers building. Fiend Brothers. Historic King Drive. Heart of Brownsville here. North Avenue. MLK Drive. Too many people out Saturday night. It's still early. Nice night out tonight. I should get some tacos over there. Chorito. Out here on Holt to the north. Back to the east side of Milwaukee. Sun's going down. Just right out here on the east side. Near north. Reservoir Park. Overlooking downtown Milwaukee here from near north, somewhat east side. Old reservoir used to be up there on the top. Got some action going on over here. Humboldt and Center. Uptown bar. Someone's in need of emergency. Historic bar over there. Locust and Humboldt and Locust, old Tracks bar. I remember when there used to be railroad tracks that actually used to run through the back of that place. It's a famous bar over there. Things used to go on in the 80s there. Police and Milwaukee Brewers and stuff. That place there used to be a cannery there. Pickled herring. Over here at Gordon Park. I believe that place is out of business now. Tracks are still going. Unbelievable. Milwaukee River here on Locust Street. Making my way east back to my car. Right down here at the end of Locust. That should do it for this bike ride. Hope you enjoyed.